Hi, Michael Brown, on set today with VS Sassoon, showing you a brand new multi-styling tool, the Air Style Brilliance. Now this has 7 attachments, so it's amazing for the new trends of versatility in hairstyling. It straightens, it dries, it smooths, it volumizes, texturizes, and shapes with some curl. With the first attachment, the dry concentrate, it attaches on, it's going to blast the hair dry. So now that I've air dried with the concentrator attachment, I'm going to change it now to the paddle brush. It has firmer bristles. Stephanie already has textured hair and a slight natural wave, so we want to smooth it down even more. And because the bristles are firm, it's the perfect paddle brush for that. So now we've finished with our powder brush that, as you can see, is really smoothed and tamed and detangled the hair. I think we're going to go to probably one of the most popular attachments, the volumizing one. This is 64 millimeters, also based in ceramic, so it's really going to smooth the hair. But from the root, you can really rotate to get a great volume blowout. We're nearly there with the finished look. We're going to show the crown, but one tip I have is once you put the brush underneath, the aim of the game is for the hair to pass through the bristles for detangling, obviously smoothing, but the ceramic as well, so that it can actually relax the hair with the heat on the ceramic to get that smooth anti-frizz effect. You can hold the tip and you can rotate in your own action to really get the volume you want, or pulling down for more of a straight look. So to finish the look, because we have little bangs and a fringe there, I'm actually going to change attachments and use the 20 millimeter soft nylon bristles. Because they're so soft, they're really good to grab onto little fringes for little flicks or other little styling and shaping it around the face. So you can see how the original look was shaping the face in a round way. Now we've got like a slight little flick because of the new attachment. This time I'm going to use the cold shot to really hold it there in place to get even more flick. That completes our look with the Air Style Brilliance, part of the Brilliance collection. You can see from that wavy textured look we had at the beginning how smooth and blowout look it is. But there are other attachments with straighten and volumizing. I love the fringe attachment we use, so it really is that ultimate hairstyling kit for at home. And for more hair tips, visit vssassoon.com.au.